Mindset can affect how individuals handle failure, their approach to challenges, and their potential for personal and professional development. Hi, welcome to the Self-Up. This time I will talk about the book Mindset by Carol Dweck. This book talks about the ability of a mindset. Everyone has their own way of dealing with failure. Some don't know how, some are quite chill, but there are those who feel no problem with failure. These three different perspectives turn out to be closely related to the mindset that has these three types of people. Over the course of 20 years, Carol's research has proven that how we view ourselves affects how we live our lives. When it was first released in 2006, the idea of this book was interesting enough to be used by many people. Not only for personal development, but also for organizational and corporate culture. I summarized it into 3 key points from the book. The first, fixed mindset versus growth mindset. In his book, Carol explains that there are 2 types of mindset, fixed mindset and growth mindset. Fixed mindset is a person who believes that intelligence, ability, and personality are something that cannot be changed. Meanwhile, people who have a growth mindset think otherwise. These 3 things can be improved with time and effort. For example, if someone says, "You're stupid," this assessment cannot be used as a benchmark to understand a person's ability, especially the person's potential for success in the future. People with a fixed mindset feel that success is very important and means they are greater than others. They need this validation to feel better. The danger is, if you only feel great when you succeed, what happens when you fail? The way people with a fixed mindset do it is by blaming others, or making excuses so that they are not responsible for the failure. People with a growth mindset see the world in a different way. They have passion and extraordinary enthusiasm in improving themselves and continue to strive, even though the results are yet to be seen. This mindset makes a person not allergic to challenges, they even love them. The bigger the challenge, the better the opportunity to grow. They are even disappointed if they cannot develop their potential. Growth mindset also plays an important role in the growth of a talent. For example, it took Mozart 10 years before he was finally able to produce a great work. A famous sociologist Benjamin Barber once said, "I don't divide the world into the strong and the weak, or the successful and the unsuccessful. I divide the world into learners or not." Second, the mindset when you fail. There is a big difference when fixed mindset and growth mindset accept life challenges. For people with a fixed mindset, they will be very hurt by failure, because they feel that failure is caused by lack of ability. They think abilities cannot be improved, therefore they never try again. Meanwhile, people with a growth mindset think otherwise. They are open to failure and try again. John Wooden, a legendary basketball coach, once said, "You are not a failure if you don't start blaming others or yourself." This means that you will continue to grow from your mistakes, and stop when you start to not acknowledge them. In one study, respondents were asked what they would do if they got a bad grade on a midterm exam and then got a ticket for illegal parking. This is a very unlucky situation. Faced with this situation, people with a fixed mindset feel their life is very bad or feel their life is a failure. Whereas people with a growth mindset say they will study harder and park more carefully. The same event has a different response due to the person's mindset. Failure is definitely painful, but people with a growth mindset are not discouraged. Failure is something that must be faced and taken lessons. Third, mindset can be shaped and changed. The way we talk to others is influential in shaping someone to have a fixed or growth mindset. If we praise someone as smart, talented, or perfect, we are shaping them to have a fixed mindset. Similarly, if we say that someone is stupid, useless, or can't do anything, we are also shaping them to have a fixed mindset. We can manage our speech and remember to always focus on sentences that support a growth mindset, such as "You have done a good job, tell me how you did it." We don't talk about the output, we talk about the effort, the persistence, and the growth. If you are now in a fixed mindset, that's okay. But it's time for you to start exercising your growth mindset muscles and believe that everything can change. Basically, everyone is born with high curiosity and a love for learning. Just imagine, a baby who is always curious and keeps learning, from crawling, walking, to running. We need to revive the growth mindset that we once had. Mindset will define how a person sees the world. The right mindset can help you develop your potential and achieve success in life. Please comment in the comments column what lessons you learned when reading this book. If you want to explore the book further, the link is in the description or the pinned comment. Thanks for your support in developing this channel. Thank you for watching. If you have any book recommendations for the next review, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos from Self Up. See you next time.